Hello friends, I am Dr. Gaurav. Today I am going to discuss about ton of refrigeration, coefficient of performance, comparison between heat engine, refrigerator and heat pump. Ton of refrigeration. It is abbreviated as TR. It is an important historical unit of refrigeration capacity. Just like we say for motor, half horsepower motor or 1 horsepower motor. 1 Tr is the rate of heat transfer required to produce 1 US ton of ice at 0 degree Celsius from water at 0 degree Celsius in 24 hours. We know that 1 US ton is 2000 pound or 907.18474 kg. Heat of fusion of water is having fixed value as 144 BTU per pound. BTU means British thermal unit or 335 kilojoule per kg. 1 Tr is equal to amount of US ton multiplied by heat of fusion of water divided by 24 into 60. 24 into 60 because in the definition we have used 24 hours. To convert this into minute, we have multiplied this with 60. Approximate value comes out to be 211 kilojoule per minute. If we divide this value with 60, we get 3.5 kilowatt, or we can say that 200 BTU per minute. How we will get this value? If we take here 2000 pound multiplied by 144 BTU per LB, then we get 200 BTU per minute is equal to 50 kilocalorie per minute. Significance: it indicates the cooling capacity or size of the refrigeration plant. Now you must have understand the meaning of 1.5 ton of air conditioner. That is, it can produce a cooling effect or it can remove heat of 1.5 multiplied 3.5 kilowatt from the space to be cooled. Next is coefficient of performance. It is abbreviated as COP. It is the ratio of the useful desired effect to the amount of expenditure. COP is equal to amount of cooling produced in kilowatt or kilojoule per kg. In case we talk about per unit mass for the refrigeration system divided by net energy supplied from the external source in kilowatt or kilojoule per kg. If we talk about per unit mass. COP is also defined as amount of heating produced in kilowatt or kilojoule per kg for the heat pump divided by net energy supplied from the external source in kilowatt or kilojoule per kg. In case of refrigeration, we are saying that amount of cooling produced because in refrigeration our output is cooling effect. In case of heat pump, we are saying amount of heating produced because in case of heat pump our output is amount of heat produced. Significance: it indicates the performance of the system. Higher value of COP indicate that it will consume less energy or electricity. COP may be less than or greater than 1 depending upon the type of refrigeration system used, but COP of heat pump is always greater than 1. Relative COP is defined as actual COP divided by theoretical COP. Now actual COP will have certain losses like pressure loss in the pipeline, etc. Next is comparison between heat engine, refrigerator and heat pump. Heat engine is a device which produces work. In heat engine, Q2 is the amount of heat extracted from the hot body at temperature T2. Hot body is also known as heat source. After extracting Q2 amount of heat, it will produce W amount of work and it will reject Q1 amount of heat to the cold body at temperature T1. Cold body is also known as heat sink. The value of temperature T1 is greater than atmospheric temperature TA. For example, in case of car, burning of fuel can be referred as hot body and emission of exhaust hot gases from the silencer can be referred as cold body. In refrigerator, WR is the amount of work supplied to the refrigerator so that it will extract Q1 amount of heat from the cold body at temperature T1. This cold body is also known as evaporator. The temperature T1 is less than atmospheric temperature TA because in cold body we want temperature in below than that of the surrounding. After extracting Q1 amount of heat from the cold body, it will reject Q2 amount of heat to the hot body. In case of heat pump, we are supplying WP amount of work to the heat pump so that it will extract Q1 amount of heat from the cold body at temperature T1 and it will supply Q2 amount of heat to the hot body. If we look at the diagram of refrigerator and heat pump, we find that both the diagrams are similar, but there is difference. In case of refrigerator, Q1 is the output, that is amount of heat extracted from the cold body. In case of heat pump, the output is Q2, that is amount of heat supplied to the hot body. Efficiency of heat engine. It is defined as output upon input. So we have to find out what is output and what is input. In case of heat engine, the output is amount of work produced, that is WE, and the input is amount of heat supplied, that is Q2. So the formula is WE divided by Q2. If we put the value of WE, that is Q2 minus Q1, the formula becomes Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q2. COP of refrigerator is also defined as output upon input. Output in case of refrigerator is Q1 and input in case of refrigerator is WR. The formula is Q1 upon WR. If we put the value of WR, then the formula becomes Q1 divided by Q2 minus Q1. Next is COP of heat pump. The formula of COP of heat pump is also output upon input. Output in case of heat pump is Q2 and input in case of heat pump is WP. So the formula is Q2 divided by WP. If we put the value of WP, then the formula becomes Q2 divided by Q2 minus Q1. If we compare this with efficiency of heat engine, we find a relation COP of heat pump is equal to 1 upon efficiency of heat engine. If we add plus 1 to the COP of refrigerator, then the formula becomes Q2 divided by Q2 minus Q1. That implies we get another relation, that is COP of heat pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1. COP of heat pump is also known as energy performance ratio, EPR. Thanks. Any question you can write to me gaurav.citam@gmail.com.